Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorial guys, we have completed some relationship DAX function. And now in today's class guys, we will start new category of DAX functions which are statistical functions. So let's start the class guys, and here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this combine DAX function. So let's go to reference page to understand the definition first. It returns the number of combination for a given number of items. Use combine to determine the total possible number of groups for a given number of items. And here we have two parameters guys, the number and the number chosen. Here number chosen means the number of item in each combination. And here is the formula guys. With the help of this formula, you guys can calculate the combinations. So let's go to Power BI desktop and understand this concept with practical. So I will simply go here and click on new measure. And let me rename this measure as combine. And now I will write my DAX function which is combine. And here we have two parameters. So firstly I will take one random number which is 3, and number of chosen, let's say 2. And close the bracket and hit enter. So let me drag and drop it measure here and put it into card visual. So here we can see guys, our answer is 3. And now let's see guys how this answer comes. So let's go to the Excel file, and here guys we have seen here we have taken 3 elements. Let's suppose A, B and C. And we have possible outcomes guys, A and B, B and C and A and C. So we have 3 combination is possible if we have 3 elements. So that's why here answer is 3. I hope guys now you are understand this function of combine DAX function. With the help of this DAX function guys, we can calculate only possible combination of any numbers. And now let's go to the next function of our today's class, which is combine A. So again let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. So guys, it returns the number of combination with repetition for a given number of items. And again we have guys same parameters, number and number chosen. So let's go to Power BI desktop and apply this DAX function. So I will simply go here on new measure, and this time I will write combine A. And now I will write my DAX function which is combine A, and I will take the same number which is 3, 2 and close the bracket and hit enter. And let me drag and drop it here this measure guys and put it into card visual. So here we can see guys our answer is 6. And now let's go to Excel file. So this combine A DAX function guys, it returning the repetition of numbers. You guys can see here if we have a 3 elements which is A, B and C, so it includes repetitions. That's why here answer is 6. So I hope guys now you are clear with difference of combine and combine A. It returns a possible combination of elements. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class. So guys, the next function is rankx function, and this is mostly used function in Power BI reports. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. So guys, it returns the ranking of a number in a list of number for each row in the table argument. And here we can see guys we have 5 parameters: table, expressions, values, order and ties. And under ties guys we have 2 more parameters, skip and dance. So with the help of this rankx DAX function guys, we can provide ranking in our data set. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and go to data view. And under this sales table guys, we will apply rankx function on this sales column. So firstly I will go here on new calculated column, and let me rename this column name as rank x. And now I will use my rankx DAX function. So the first parameter is table. So our table is sales table, and the next parameter is expression. So I will take this sales column guys because I want to calculate rank on the basis of this sales column. So let me search it out, sales column here guys. So here is our sales column, comma, and the next parameter is value, and this is optional guys, so we can skip it. So I will put it comma here, and now it is asking the order. So you want to calculate the rank on the basis of ascending order or descending order. So I want to calculate on the basis of descending. You guys can select ascending as well, comma, and under ties guys we have two types, dance and skip. So firstly we will understand dance, and close the bracket and hit enter. So here we can see guys our new column has added with rankings. So let me sort it into ascending order guys, and now here you can see guys, so the highest sale in our sales column is 78300, which comes at rank 1, and if the sales is lesser than 78300, so it provides ranking rank 2, and lesser than this second record guys, it provides rank 3. So in this way guys we can set this rank DAX function. And now let me scroll it down, and under these 3 records guys we can see we have a same sales, which is 4000, 4000 and 4000. So that's why here ranking is same, which is 28, 28 and 28. And if you see this next record guys, so the next record is 3800 and it provides ranking 29. So there is no gap between the rankings 26, 27, 28 and 29. And now let me convert into skip, and close the bracket and hit enter. And now let's check the same record. So here we can see guys, after 29 guys they provide 30th ranking of 4000 record, and again we can see guys it provides the same ranking of these 3 record, but they have skipped 31, 32 and jumped to the 33. So they have skipped 2 records here and provided the same ranking and jumped into the next ranking, which is comes after 32. And let's suppose if we have one more times 4000, so it is also skipped 33rd, it directly jumped to the 34. So in this way guys we can use skip or dance ranking. So I hope guys now you are clear with the rankx DAX function with calculated column. And now let's see the rankx DAX function with measure. So I will go here on practical page, and here I have taken one table visual, and under table visual guys I have taken country column. And now I will enter this total sales DAX function, which is sum of total sales. And now let's create rankx DAX function with measure. So I will click on new measure, and let me rename this as rankx2. And now I will enter my DAX function, which is rankx. So the first parameter is table. So our table name is sales, comma, and the next parameter is expression. So guys I have already created this total sales measure here. So I will simply enter total sales, comma, and the next parameter is value. So this is optional one guys, so let me skip this. And under order parameter guys I will select descending order, comma, and the next parameter is ties. So I will take dance ranking here and close the bracket and hit enter. And let me search my measure name guys, which is rankx2, and let me drag and drop it here. So here we can see guys our answer is 1 of each and every record, because measures are filter context and it deciding the ranking on the basis of each and every column. So this function got confused that what column you want to see the rankings. So what we need to do guys, we need to remove filter from this country column. And for removing the filter guys, we have already know we have a separate DAX function which name is all. I have already discussed this formula in my previous videos. If you have not watched it yet, so I would request please go and watch that tutorial. So after bracket guys, I will use this all DAX function. Under all guys, I will simply take this column name which is country, which is from the sales table, and close this all function. And now what we need to do, we need to remove this table name which is sales and hit enter. So here we can see guys our measure has correct. Now let me change the order. So in this way guys, we can use this rankx function with measure. So I hope guys now you are clear how we can use with measure and calculated column. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is median. So let's go to the reference page and understand the definition first. It returns the median of a number in a column. To return the median of an expression evaluated for each row in the table, use medianx function. And here we have just only one parameter, which is column. I hope guys you have definitely studied this function in 10th class like mean, median and mode. It counts the average of total number. This is very much similar like average formula. And now let's go to Power BI desktop and understand this DAX function. So here guys I have taken new table where I have taken only two columns, product and sales. So let me go into this visual guys and remove both the columns. And I will take these two columns, which is product and sales. And this function is very much similar like average DAX function. So firstly we will apply average DAX function. Let me rename this measure as average2. And now I will write my DAX function, which is average. So I want to see the average of sales column, which is from new table. So here is our new table guys, and close the bracket and hit enter. And now let me drag and drop it here. So our average is 3500. That means we have 6 records, the total sums divided by 6. And now let's calculate median. So let me rename this as median. And now I will apply my DAX function, which is median. And here column name guys, I will take sales column, which is from new table. And close the bracket and hit enter. So here is our measure guys. Let me drag and drop it here. So here we can see our result is same. Sometimes guys we have difference in our result. If we have large kind of data set and different values guys, like non-rounding values, at that time guys there might be chances your result may get different. So I hope guys now you are understood how we can apply this median DAX function. And now let's move towards the last DAX function of our today's class, which is median x. So this is an iterator function guys. So let's understand the definition first. It returns the median number of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. To return the median of a number in a column, use median function. And this time guys I want to see the average of this fruit product. So what we need to do is simply go here on new measure. And let me rename this measure as average x. And now I will write my DAX function, which is average x. And under average x function guys, I will use additional DAX function, which name is filter, because I want to filter the sales of fruit. So the first parameter is table. So my table name is new, comma, and under filter expression guys, I will take the column name, which is product, which is from the new table, equal to, and now I will enter my value, which is fruit, because I want to see the average of this fruit, and close this filter function, comma, and under expression guys I will use sales column because I want to see the average of sales, and close the bracket and hit enter. And now let me drag and drop this measure here. So our average of this fruit product is 3000. You guys can check it from here. 1000 plus 5000, which is 6000. 6000 divided by 2 is 3000. So I hope guys now you are clear how we can calculate average x. And now let's apply median x. So simply go here on new measure, and this is very much similar like average x. And let me rename this measure as median x. And now I will write my DAX function, median x, and under table parameter guys I will use additional function of filter. And our table is new, comma, and the filter expression is product column, which is from the new table, equal to, and here I will write fruit, inverted comma close, and close the bracket, comma, And under expression guys, I will take sales column which is from new table and close the bracket and hit enter. And let me drag and drop this measure here. So here we can see guys, our answer is same, which is similar like average x. But result will different guys if we have large value of data set and some non-rounding values. So I hope guys now you are cleared with all the DAX functions of today's class. So do more practice and explore more yourself. And stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram channel where I keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview questions and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs or trainings. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so guys, I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I will prepare for you interviews round. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box guys. And for free learners, we have this free YouTube channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.